How to add or remove reduce white point in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top right corner to open up the control center. Then tap on the Add button. Next, we go down and tap on Add a control. Now in the control list, we scroll down to the bottom and go to Vision Accessibility. In here, we tap on Reduce White Point. Tap on that and the shortcut will be added to your control center. And after, you can tap anywhere on the screen to close edit mode. Then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now you can swipe down to open up your control center and then tap on the Reduce White Point shortcut to turn it on or switch it off. Now to remove the widget, just tap on the Add button, then tap on the Remove button, and that will allow you to remove the widget from the control center. And that's it. Now swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.